let it bang, bang.
So guys, in this section we are going to start machine learning course. So the first step of machine learning is to get the tools that we will be needing in order to apply all the concepts of machine learning. So just open the browser and then go for Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, this one. This Anaconda Navigator will contain all the necessary requirements that you will be needing for machine. And apart from that, extra libraries we will be installing in that environment itself. So now go for this download Anaconda, and depending upon your architecture, you can go for Microsoft or Apple or Linux. And in this case, I am using Windows, so I will go for this installation. Uh, Click on download, and after that, the download will starting. So what I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it. Instead, I will go for there instead. Yeah, so here this is the setup file. Just double click on it and the setup will be installed, and you have to just click next and go through the basic installation. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to continue it. After that, you have installed it, just search here Anaconda, or if you will install it, it will automatically launch. Let's go for Anaconda Navigator. Depending upon your speed, if your speed of the system is good, then it will open very quickly. Yeah, so it contains all the tools, but widely we are using one tool which is called Jupyter Notebook, that we will be using most during machine learning. And it is comes pre-installed with this Anaconda Navigator, so you don't have to install it. This is Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, so just click on the launch, and as soon as you click on the launch, it opens in a browser depending upon Chrome or Edge you use most. So just you don't have to uh, think about here too much. Just create a new Python 3 file and just give it a name. You can give it like Numpy introduction. Yeah, that's it, the name. And now another thing we are needing here after starting machine learning after Python is learning NumPy. Yeah, so we have to load this library. So in order to load this library, we are going to import NumPy. So in order to write a very small name, so we will write it as NP. So now we will, every time we write NP, it means we are writing NPy. And in order to run it, in order to run all cells, you can go for this and run the selected cells. Here we are using the selected cells, so we will press shift enter. So as it is installed, it comes pre-installed, you don't have to think too much. And for all that who want to install NumPy, you have to or other libraries, you have to go to Anaconda prompt, this one. It's like CMD, but it's not same. Here you don't have to write pip commands, you have to use conda commands. Conda install NumPy, just simple this, and this will be installed. But as it is already installed in my system, so it will tell me that it is already installed. So most probably it will be installed as it comes with Anaconda. So yeah, that's it. We will now continue in the next lecture the NumPy basic uh, commands. Okay, see you at the next lecture.
Let it bang, bang.